So go ahead and open any browser. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner. So go ahead and click on Settings. And then if you scroll down, you'll see Site Settings right here. So click on that. Go ahead and click on All Sites at the very first option. So you can search for ChatGPT at the search bar right here. Then go ahead and click on chat.openai. And then at the very bottom, you'll see Clear and Reset. So click on Clear and Reset, and as you can see, it will clear all your local data, including your cookies, and reset the permission for this website. So click on Clear and Reset, and then go ahead and log back in to your ChatGPT. So if this doesn't work, what you can do is go over to your Play Store and go ahead and type VPN. So you can download any VPN you want. I'm just going to go ahead to this one and go ahead and click Install. So go ahead and click on Open. So you'll see the Connect button right here. So go ahead and click on Connect. So go ahead and press OK. So as you can see, your VPN is now connected, and then go back to your browser. Go over to ChatGPT and then log in clicking chat.openai.com, and this problem should be solved. So that is how to fix your account has been flagged for potential abuse in ChatGPT.